Hey, this is Will Channel 43. I'm going to be doing a video on my 2011 4th of July fireworks stash. I got this all from Phantom. Start, I have a number 500 silver crackling palm 2. I have the Empire Gold Willow Barrage number 500 Bushi. I have the Red Wave Silver Peony number 500 I have the Rockefeller Gold Glitter Percent. I have 2 of the Magical Barrages. I have a Thunderstorm Shell, a number red crackling shell, a blue to silver wave, a thunderstorm shell once again. I have the Wolfpack High Performance Mortars, 6 shells. I have a Festival Wall Mortar Kit, 6 shells again. I have the Flashing Thunder Roman Candles. I have 2 of the Wolfpack Crackling Wolfpack Candles. I have these really long Flashing Thunder candles. I have 2 big fountains, Tiger Fury and Hissing Cobra. Those are really good. I have a 96 shot Pearl, a 100 shot Saturn battery. Then I got 4 of these other fountain tubes, sorry. Whole bunch of ground balloons. These electric eel little mortar, like the big, kind of like one of these but smaller. Then I have another fountain, peach flower. So that's about it for my 2011 4th of July Fire Stash Part 1. I will be a Part 2 shortly. Hey guys, this is Will Channel 43. I'm here to present my 2011 4th of July Fireworks Stash Part 2. Once again, it's all from Phantom. To start, I have the Fiery Cloud, which is a great cake and fountain. I have a little cake, the Kaleidoscope. I have 7 shot Garden Spring. I have a Emerald City 16 shot. I also have another big one, DEFCON Alert 12 shot. Nice cake. I have a Walloping Warheads. This is a pretty heavy cake. I have Arctic Blast. Nice little cake. Nice Rain of Fire. Nice little one. And I have a Chinese New Year. This one has lots of red. And then I have a 96 shot Vapor Trails. Then I have 3 200 strip firecrackers. And I have a whole bunch of big rockets. These are going to be great at night. So yeah, that's part 2 of my 2011 4th of July Fireworks Stash. I'll probably be showing my part 3 soon. So thank you. Hey guys, this is Will Channel 43. my 2011 4th of July fireworks stash. This was part 3. A lot of these fireworks I'll be showing are from Phantom, and they're left over from last year's. To start, I have 4 of the extra long Morning Glory sparklers. Those are pretty fun for night. I have hydro crackers and a whole bunch of others. I have a lot of bottle rockets, Whistling Moon Travels, Cannon Brand, and regular Wolfpack. And I have 2 large golden flowers, good fountains. I got Cuckoo Fountain, a Peacock Fountain, 2 large Friendship Fountains, 3 of these, I don't know what these are called. They're fountains and they go up like little whistlers on bottle rockets. They're pretty fun. More Cuckoo Fountains, Junior Cuckoo Fountains, Peach Flower for spring, another little fountain. All these are fountains because of stuff I just already got last year. So here's another Cuckoo Fountain. Another Cuckoo Fountain. A Jade Flower Fountain. One of those whistling bee traveler things. A silver glittering flower fountain. A violet and crimson fountain. Cone. Tiny friendship fountain. A little cone. Junior Cuckoo Fountain. Tricolor Fountain. Peacock Fountain. Violets, crimsons. Wolfpack Bean Snaps. These are fun during the day. Silver glittering flower fountain. I have a friendship fountain, another little one. A regular size friendship fountain. And tricolor fountain. Another Cuckoo Fountain, and 2 smoke balls. So that is all of my fireworks for 2011 4th of July. I will be going videos throughout the 3rd of July and 4th of July of all the fireworks. So I'll be uploading those on my phone. So subscribe to my channel, Will Channel 43. Thank you for watching the video.